Hello students, I welcome you once again in my second video, where in this video I am going to give you sample paper for chemistry for the MBOS exam 2022 class 10. Those students who are appearing the board exam of MBOS class 10 2022. So this is the sample paper for you for chemistry, so that you can prepare under the subject science and technology. You can prepare well from now for the science and technology exam of 2022 MBOS. So now let's start the chemistry. So the question goes like this: what do you understand by the term chemical equation? Then what is a balanced chemical equation? What do you understand by the following terms used in a chemical equation: reactant and product? And what is a chemical reaction? Then you have to balance these reactions. I'm not going to read. You have to balance these reactions. Then next question. Okay, define the following, giving one example of each. Is a combination reaction, endothermic reaction, decomposition reaction, photodecomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction, and reduction reaction. And identify the substance oxidized and substance reduced in the following reaction: zinc oxide plus carbon give to zinc plus carbon monoxide, CO. Then what happens chemically when quicklime is added to water? Then what is activity series of elements? The next question, on adding a drop of the barium chloride solution to an aqueous solution of sodium sulfide, a white precipitate is obtained. Write a balanced chemical equation of the reaction involved. So number B, what other name can be given to the precipitation reaction? Okay, next question, what is meant by rusting, and what are the factors essential for rusting? What is precipitation reaction? What happens when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight? Then acid, base, and salt there. Define acid, base, and alkali. Then what is the action of litmus on the dry ammonia gas and solution of ammonium gas in water? Name the gas evolved when the dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with the sodium hydrogen carbonate. How is it recognized? Okay, write fully balanced equation between the copper hydroxide and nitric acid. What is pH scale? Differentiate between strong acid and weak acid, strong alkali and weak alkali. And then what is a salt? Define the normal salt, acid salt, and a basic salt. Okay, write the chemical formula of baking soda. Okay, chemical formula of baking soda. Then what are the raw material required for the manufacture of the baking soda? Then state the two uses of baking soda. Write the chemical formula of washing soda. State the two uses of washing soda. Then what happens when the washing soda crystals are exposed to air? Define water of crystallization. Write the name and chemical formula of the product formed by heating gypsum at 373 K. K means Kelvin. How is the plaster of Paris is prepared? What is plaster of Paris? Why is plaster of Paris stored in airtight container? Then write two properties of the plaster of Paris. Then write the two uses of plaster of Paris. Then the metal and non-metals. Now here, give an example of the following: hardest non-metal, a metal which floats on the surface of water, a metal which can be cut by knife, a metal which is best conductor of heat, hardest non-metal, and lustrous non-metal. And then name one non-metal and one metal that are in liquid state at room temperature. Then you have to name two highly malleable metals. Name a metal which is neither malleable nor ductile, and a non-metal that is highly ductile. And they write the three differences between metal and non-metals. What is an ionic compound? Explain how sodium chloride is formed. State the two properties of ionic compound. Then how magnesium chloride is formed. Then define the basic oxides and amphoteric oxides. And what happens when steam is passed over red hot iron? Write the electronic definition of oxidation and reduction. Then define mineral, ore, gangue particles, metallurgy. What is Froth flotation process? Of the concentration of ore, explain it. How is refining? Then what is refining of metals? Then explain electro refining of impure metals. What is an alkali? State the composition and the properties and uses of stainless steel, brass, and bronze. Then what is an amalgam? What is an amalgam? So and then classification of elements. Okay, what is Mendeleev's periodic table? State Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, then state the modern periodic law. Then how many elements are known at the time of Mendeleev's periodic table? Then how many groups and periods are there in the long form of periodic table? State the two merits of the long form of periodic table. State the two defects of the long form of periodic table. And element P belongs to the fourth period and group 17, the long form of periodic table. Answer the following question. How many valence electrons are in element P? Then what is the valency of the P? Then is the element P metal or non-metal? Then write the formula of its compounds when it reacts with element Q having valency 3 plus, right? Then the carbon and its compound. Define covalent bond, covalency, single covalent bond, double covalent bond. Then explain the formation of hydrogen molecule, chlorine molecule, oxygen molecule. Differentiate between covalent compound and ionic compound. Okay, write the name of the 3 allotropes of carbon. Write the names of amorphous form of carbon. Differentiate between the diamond and graphite, and differentiate between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, and write the general formula of alkane, alkenes, and alkynes. Then what is homologous series? What is functional group? Then write the functional group of alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, and the carboxylic acid. Then what is substitution reaction? And then what is rectified spirit? Then what is esterification? Give an example. Explain the cleaning action of the soap in water. So students, with this I am going to complete the sample paper of the chemistry today, and I request you to please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share to your friends so that they can also able to study. And I hope that he will study these samples questions at home by the help of your book. Nothing hard is there. Try to remember it. You try to write the answer of these questions, read the book, and then you study that, and then easily appear next year for the exam and get good marks. So best of luck all of you. Once again, if any problem you find, you can message me. I am always here to help you. Thank you very much, students. With this I come to end of my video. Thank you very much. Okay.